In this video, we show you this solar charter yacht with the most futuristic kitchen ever built on a charter yacht.
We have this first kitchen in our solar yacht with an invisible induction hob.
If you like modern yacht life, luxury boating, electrifying water toys, this YouTube channel is for you.
Hi everyone and welcome to SolarYacht.
Floating on the water, I feel so free.
In our videos, we love to show you our new solar yacht innovations. New electric water toys, beautiful electric boats, fully electric solar yachts, and our innovative floating solar charging lounges. In this video, we introduce a new SolarYacht 70 that joined our exclusive chartered fleet in Brandenburg and Berlin. Like all our solar charter yachts, she offers a luxury experience powered by the sun. The SolarYacht features an unique electric upgrade you won't expect on a charter yacht. But it's not an electric drive or a battery system for silent cruising. The new electric feature upgrades your luxurious live-aboard experience. A SolarYacht innovation that takes cooking on a boat to the next level. The most futuristic kitchen ever built on water is floating aboard our SolarYacht.
We have this first kitchen in our solar yacht with an invisible induction hob. Place the pan, turn it on, choose which burner you want to use. It's only a couple of seconds. And to shut it off, here, you can touch.
How do you like this new feature on a solar yacht? This is the electrifying future of boating and modern living on water. The new SolarYacht Charter, where sustainability meets unexpected luxury. The SolarYacht 70 is now available for a unique charter experience in Germany.